Hey guys, it's Clark from Ruoff Home Mortgage, and we're continuing in our education series. Today we want to talk about renovation refinancing. Now we have a separate video that talks about buying a home with a renovation loan, but we also want to talk about maybe you've already purchased your home and you have some renovations that you want to do around the house, but you don't necessarily have the equity right now. Well, I have good news for you. You can do it. So here's how it works. And here's the great thing. We have a VA renovation loan, which we dedicated a separate video just for that. Take a look at that. We have an FHA renovation loan, which is called a 203K. And we also have a conventional renovation loan that goes up to $484,000, a great option. So here's how it works. Say you bought a house. You put the minimum down, or whatever percentage you put down. And then, but you bought it, you love the location, maybe you love the school district, the layout was good, but you had to compromise in the kitchen. Or maybe the bathrooms weren't what you wanted, or maybe not even the number of bathrooms that you needed for your family. Well, here's the great thing. You can actually finance with a renovation loan those repairs. So here's how it works. What we do is what's called a scope of work. We have a licensed contractor that comes out, shows the scope of work, the things you're going to do, and then they turn that into the appraiser. And when the appraiser comes out, they will base the value of your home on that post-remodeled condition. So when you add in your kitchen or you add a bathroom or whatever it is that you're doing, you can even add on square footage of a home. When you do these things, clearly the value of your home will go up. So what we can do then is lend on that new value and roll in the cost of those renovations without you having to pay out of pocket, without you having to wait until you have significant amount of equity in your home, but you can have and realize those dreams of your renovation right now. So here's the thing. If you've purchased a home recently or maybe even years ago and you don't have a ton of equity and you want to be able to do these things, reach out and contact me. My information is below. Let's at least have a conversation so you can know what is possible for your situation. As always, guys, we're here to help you out, and choose a great day.